Hey everybody, let's learn the signs for each of our high frequency words for the week. Okay, so the first one is jump. The sign for jump is, so you're going to put one hand out flat, and then you're going to take your other hand, put two fingers on it, and put them in your palm, and then move your fingers up. So it's like legs jumping. Okay, so do that with me. And let's say it and sign it. Jump. All right, the next one is move. The sign for move is, so it's like you're picking something up and moving it. Okay, so do that with me. And let's say it and sign it. Move. Okay, so the next one is run. The sign for run is, all right, so you're going to put your hands like you're pointing, and then you're going to hook your finger to your thumb and then do like this 2 times. Okay, so do that with me. All right, now let's say it and sign it. Run. All right, and the last one is 2, as in the number 2. Okay, so last week we learned to, like I want to go to, okay, but this week we're learning about 2, the number 2. So the sign for the number 2 is we're just going to hold up 2 fingers, okay? So this is the sign for the number 2. So do that with me. And let's say it and sign it. 2. All right, let's go over each one. Say and sign each one. Ready, go. Jump. Move. Run. 2. Okay, good job. Thank you for watching.